guys, what's up? Welcome back to my video. If you're new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. If you're not new, welcome back, dolls. So at the beginning of this vlog, I'll just be showing you the hair that I'll be dyeing for my daughter's birthday. She have 2 bundles of the Icy Young Brazilian hair. We will be dyeing this a cherry red color. She have it in the inches 22. And this is straight, and then she has another bundle in a 24-inch straight. So I'm going to show you all the products that I'll be using, and we're just going to speed this up and get into this vlog.
You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level. That's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special. Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
Alright, y'all, who that say? Can y'all see that? Do y'all see the name? Brandon Blackwood. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's the bag. I'm gonna tell y'all some pros and cons, like what I like and what I don't like. Okay, for one, like I seen some people packages, I don't know if it depends on which bag you order. Some of their purses came in a Brandon Wood box. I thought was cute. I seen a lot of people get a handwritten note. I didn't get that. And then the dust bag, it's like okay quality. It's not like you know, it kind of feel like that quality you get from AliExpress when you get one of their bags. I felt like the bag should have been a little better. Like I like the Telfar dust bag better. The purse is really cute. I just don't like the fabric on the side. Like it look real cheap, like something I can just get from TJ Maxx over here. But yeah, you get what you pay for. And then I just hope I keep up with this material. This satin material is gonna get dirty really fast, I can tell. But yeah, I don't know. I definitely think the Telfar is kind of beating Brandon Wood. I think he needs to work on his quality a little better. So yeah, but it's a real pretty color. So she's new to my collection, so I'm just gonna put her up. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Thursday night, almost Friday. I'm chilling. About to have a self-care Thursday night going into Friday night, because I don't know y'all, lately I've been up and I've been down. One minute I'm feeling happy, next minute I'm like, you know, I don't know what's going on. There's just too much going on in the world, but I don't let that type of shit stress me out really. But we all human, we all have those days. But I'm about to hookah and drink some wine, so I got my little setup. I'm back in this loud chair. If you hear it, I know y'all do it because this camera pick up every fucking sound in the background. But I got my wine. This is my first time trying this sweet apple. And then I got my glass. I got my hookah. Got my candle burning. I'm gonna rock out to some music and just have me a little good moment, honey.
She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your 2-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose, make it work, Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose. I pull up.
Y'all, I'm back from running errands. Oh my god, my daughter got me out here being her goddamn Uber driver. But yeah, anyway, I'm about to do her makeup for tonight. I had packed my makeup because I was gonna do her makeup at the room, but we still got a little time, little time. So I'ma just do it here, you know, so I don't have to carry all this stuff with me.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So I am on my way to Party City to get my daughter party goodies. Last minute party planning. Then we're gonna head to the room. So I'll see y'all in Party City. Okay, y'all can see me now. So I just helped her sanitize the room. We're about to run back to like a dollar store or something to get maybe like some balloons and something to set up, you know, something to put on her table or whatever. And yeah, my baby all grown up. She's 20. She got an attitude though, but you know, she should do a little haul for y'all. Can you stop leaning over like your body about to break? Is she cute? Look at her. Say hi. Oh, acting funny. Look at her makeup, y'all. Can you sit up so the people can see your makeup? Your makeup.
Come on. I gotta put the work on.
You see kids, she on my goddamn nerve. Alright y'all, so it wasn't much for me to work with. This is the table, but I'm gonna set it up cute like her drinks and stuff. So I guess y'all can, I'm gonna try to zoom in and y'all can watch me do that right quick. Alright, y'all, so I'm done. This is just a small little setup, nothing special, but it's cute. I like it. We got the orange and blue theme balloons. Yeah, so she having like girls' night, so it's like real laid back, chill. So yeah, and they're gonna order food. So I'll see y'all later. So it's April 21st, and this is the day my firstborn, my beautiful daughter, was born. She is 20 today, so we're celebrating her birthday later. We're going out to eat. We're going to Prime. Let me get it right. Eddie's V's Prime. That's what it is. So right now I got everything set up. I'm about to switch my purse over, so I'm gonna be wearing my LV bag. The fragrance I'll be wearing is YSL Libre. I'll be trying this NYX Milky Gloss. I hope that color look alright. I'm gonna see how that look. If not, I might change it. And then these are the accessories I'm wearing. I'm doing 2 ankle bracelets, this butterfly necklace, and then these cute butterfly earrings, and then just some stack rings. But I'm probably not gonna stack them. I think I'm gonna wear 1 ring on each focus. Yeah, I'll probably wear 1 ring on each finger, but that's pretty much the plans for today. Wish her a happy birthday, a happy belated birthday. Hello, y'all. I'm headed to the restaurant.
You don't really know a thing about you and I see a parting, but just to conceal it with a smile. So all you lucky ones, what up? You're always on the run, what up? I mean, don't get me wrong, but what up? Or was I not the one you dreamt of? No, 'cause the life you live will never be enough. Why don't you stop for a minute, just relax yourself. This moment will never come back again. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called your ace your kingdom, and it's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called your ace your kingdom, and it's all a bluff. I've been thinking, 'cause I don't wanna waste my precious time. Always looking for the next best thing. Do it on your own this time around. So all you lucky ones, what up? You're always on the run, what up? I mean, don't get me wrong, but what up? Oh, what?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Aw, that's sweet.
No problem. Myself as well.
Oh, thanks.
Welcome 1 second. All right.
Later around here tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kayla.